Hello, I'm Simpliffy. Today, I'll be showing you how to make this glow in person effect in Photoshop. The first thing we need to do is select our subject, select any selection tool, and hit select subject here. It doesn't have to be a precise selection unless your subject is complex. What I like to do is expand my selection a little bit. So go to select, modify, then expand, and just expand it by 2 or 3 pixels, then hit OK. Then I'm gonna copy my subject via layer, so hit Ctrl J. While the layer is selected, go to FX, then color overlay, and set the color to white. In my case, it's already white, so just hit OK. Then convert the layer to a small object. Duplicate the layer 4 times by hitting Ctrl J. I'm just gonna rename them so it's easier to identify. So I'm just gonna say for layer 1, original, and for the copies, I'm just gonna name them from 1 to 4. Select the second copy and go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Set the amount to 40, then hit OK. And we're just gonna increase it for the 2 more layers by 20. So select the third, go to filter again, blur, Gaussian blur, and increase it by 20. So that's 60 here. And for the last one, same thing, blur, Gaussian blur, and 80. If you think it's too much, you can just disable the last one. And for layer 1, this is optional, but you can add some motion by going to filter, blur, motion blur. You can just play around however you like. I think this is fine. As you can see, it makes a little bit of difference. And there you go. I'll be providing a free action for this effect in the description below in my website. You can check it out. And there's a lot of other free and paid assets in my website as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.